Hi students, I'm super excited for this module and the next couple of weeks of class because this is probably my favorite activity of the year. So we're going to start a new unit called StoryCorps. You'll learn more about what that is down below under the direct instruction part. But up here, as you can probably figure out by the title, StoryCorps talks about telling stories. So we need to reflect on what are our favorite stories or what makes a story good. So what is your favorite story? So for the do now, I'm having you answer some questions about your favorite story. Now, a story can come in many forms. It can come in a book you read, or a short story maybe you read in class. It can come in a poem. It can also come in a movie or a TV show or a family story that maybe your parents or grandparents told you. It could come from church. It could be a story from the Bible. It can be any type of story that you've seen. It could be a story you saw on YouTube or anything like that. So whatever type of story it is, you're going to write that here. So if you're like, my favorite story is A Bug's Life, classic movie, don't know if you saw it, okay, you would write about that for all these questions. Maybe your favorite story is The Kite Runner. That's another great one, or Julius Caesar, or who knows. So answer this based on your favorite story, and I cannot wait to see the great things you guys produce in this unit. Have a great start to class.